Hello and welcome to Great Minds Tutorials. This is your favorite tutor Khodiso, and in this episode, I'm gonna be continuing slightly. There's a exercise which I've done where I was generating random numbers between a specific range, and in this episode, I want to generate unique random numbers. And there is something that I've already introduced in advanced object-oriented programming, which makes it much simpler in order for you to generate the unique random numbers, which is what we call a set. So under the set interface, we're going to be using a hash set, and we're going to be generating unique random numbers. So the reason why we're using that specific advanced data structure is because hash set does not store duplicate numbers or any duplicate data inside of it. So it's going to make it much easier for us to use it. So what I'm going to be doing is that, I'm going to specify that I'm going to use a set here, and it's going to store an integer because we are dealing with numbers. So I'm going to say randnums, and then the new hash set, um, hash set. And inside of here, okay, I'm not sure which one is going to be out before the other one, whether this video is going to be out because I've scheduled the advanced data structures already. So, but as soon as the other video is out, it's going to be able to verify whatever that I'm doing here, because that's where I explain a hash set in detail. So now I'm going to import a set and import also a hash set. So that is the advanced data structure that we're gonna need. So now what we would need to do here, let me just quickly remove this. We're not gonna need this. So now here I'm going to control this by using a while loop. So I'm gonna say while. What I'm gonna do here is that I'm also going to introduce a size here. So before I can work with the while, I want to calculate the size of the numbers, advanced data structure. So I've called it randnums. Randnums dot size. So that is one of the properties that you can do with it. So now we're going to say while the size of this thing is less than or equals to the number 5, I'm going to generate 5 unique random numbers. So if you want to generate 10 unique random numbers, you're going to write a 10 there. So let's make it a 10 in order for us to, or even a 15 in order for us to make sure that we are not repeating anything. So now after this, I'm gonna remove this, put it after here, and then I can remove the space here, tap this to that side. So now, while the size is that, then we're going to say rand nums. We want to add. So you say dot add, then I'm going to add the random number, which is called random, the one that has been generated. So immediately after that, if it's a duplicate, it's not going to add it. So hence, it's important for us to recalculate the size. And then we're going to update the size here by saying that now size is then assigned to rand nums dot size. So as we update the size. So after, if it has been added, it's going to update the size and then go back to the while loop and check. If it's been added now, the size is going to be a 1 and so forth and so forth. So now immediately after that, then I can display all the numbers generated. So, okay, for me to display that, I can use the simple display. I can just say randnums. Then I can get to display all of those random numbers. And as you can see here, we're having a 33, a 37, a 38, a 42, a 43, a 45, a 46, a 47, a 48, a 17, a 49, a 20, a 25, a 27, a 28, and a 29. As you can see, they're unique random numbers. Nothing is repeating there. So we can even try it again. By running it again, you'll see we have a 35, a 38, a 39, a 40, and we're having 11, a 44. We're having a 12, a 45, a 47, a 16, a 18, a 24, 26, 27, 29, and a 30. And as you can see again, it's not repeating. Those are unique random numbers, meaning that the number which is stored inside there is not repeating. So the trick here was that we had used a set, which is a hash set. Why? Because the properties of a hash set, it says that you cannot repeat, you cannot duplicate data whenever you're storing into a headset. And that is it from me. Till the next time we drop, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Cheers.